Radar until Big Dig, Chrono Station 1.
JetBlue 1351, clear direct Harvard, descend and maintain 4,000.
Direct Harvard down to 4,000, JetBlue 1351.
The 1451, maintain 210 knots or greater, descend and maintain 3,000.
Maintain a greater 3,000, 1451.
Flexjet 351, reduce speed 190.
Reduce speed 190, Flexjet 351.
Message 01 for your reference, that traffic 9 o'clock 4 miles northeastbound. They're slightly slower. What they're going to do is they're going to go inbound to the left of your final, go in over the water, and then land to the southwest of the airport. So they'll never cross you. They will stay off your left side. Contact tower 132.22. Have a good day.
132.22. Thanks for your help today. You're great. Chrono Station 1.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. The 1451, just going to maintain 3,000.
3,000 to 1451.
Now, and about 4 miles northwestbound of Pilatus, 2,200.
Yeah, I think they're right behind our wing. We'll keep looking.
JetBlue 1351, reduce speed 180 or less. I'll have a clearance for you shortly.
180 or less, JetBlue 1351.
Flexjet 351, right turn 240.
Right turn 240, Flexjet 351.
That's the 1451, descend to maintain 3,000. Couldn't remember if I gave you 3.
Yep, down to 2,000, guys. That's 1451.
Again, 710 with speed. About 2 o'clock now, 4 miles approaching the shoreline, 1,700.
Cable is stowed and off there, and items including laptops and devices similar size.
JetBlue 1351, reduce speed 170 or less.
Maybe held in
Near left,
your
JetBlue
pocket and
1351.
stack in front of you.
Traffic inside
Put
maintained
cellular service permission and off the ground.
Flexjet 351, right turn 250, descend to maintain 2,000.
Right turn 250 down to 2,000, Flexjet 351.
710 with speed, traffic in sight.
Yeah, sorry, you're blocked. Traffic inside maintained distance.
We hope you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience.
710 Whiskey approved. Contact Boston Skyways 124.72. Have a great day.
2472, you too. American 771.
JetBlue 1351, just going to maintain 3,000.
Gonna maintain 3,000, JetBlue 1351.
Except 351, right turn 280, clearance shortly. Except 351, right turn 280, have the clearance shortly.
Right turn 280, Flexjet 351.
That's the 1451, 3 miles from Loner. Cross Loner at turn left heading at 300. Cross Loner 3,000 or above, clear ILS, runway 27 approach.
3,000 or above, clear by ILS, 27 approach. We're done.
That's 1451, thanks, speed your discretion. JetBlue 1351, cross the yard at above 3,000, cleared RNAV, runway 32 approach, reduce speed 160 to Big Dig if able.
Pressure recap, 660, time down, 8.3 to 5,000,
Blue 3, correction, Flexjet 351, right turn 320, and correction, right turn up 300, intercept RNAV, runway 32, final approach course, 300 to join.
300 to join, RNAV 32, Flexjet to join.
25616, roger. Flexjet 351, 4 miles from Big Dig, maintain 2,000 till established, cleared RNAV, runway 32 approach.
2,000 till established, cleared RNAV 32 approach, Flexjet 351.
JetBlue 1351, cleared RNAV, runway 32 approach, reduce speed 160 to Big Dig.
160 to Big Dig, cleared RNAV 32, JetBlue 1351.
Flexjet 351, maintain 170 knots until Big Dig for traffic following behind.
70 to Big Dig, 351.
That's the 1451, contact tower 128.8.
128.8, 151, good day.
Brickyard 5616, Boston approach, maintain present speed, descend to maintain 4,000.
Present speed 4,000, Brickyard 5616.
Flexjet 351, thanks for help. Were you established and good to continue inbound? I kind of had to put you in. I put you in front of an E190.
That's perfect,
Flexjet 351, thank you, sir. Contact tower 132.22. Have a great day.
Hello, approach Alaska 306 with you, 7,000, sending you to class 227.
Alaska 306, approach, descend now, maintain 3,000, good rate, please.
Descend now, 3,000, good rate, Alaska 306.
JetBlue 1351, thanks for help. If able, reduce speed 150 to Big Dig.
150 to Big Dig, JetBlue 1351, no problem.
Brickyard 5616, reduce speed 210, then descend maintain 4,000.
210, 4,000, down 4,000, Brickyard 5616.
Brickyard 5616, 54 heading for the sequence.
Flight person heading for sequence, Brickyard 5616.
JetBlue 1351, thanks for help, sir. Contact tower 132.22. Have a good one.
Tower now, JetBlue 1351, stand.
Welcome to Boston, where the local time is 2:48. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep your carrying items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful in opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says plane at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated until after we've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check the airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. For those of you connecting to a flight operated by our friends at American Airlines, which includes JetBlue flights 4,000 to 4,999, please follow the signs to Terminal B once inside and be sure not to exit security.